In this video we are going to share some opinions related to the SEC versus Ripple. Several members of the industry have shared their opinion on what could be the outcome of this legal battle that's been active since December 2020. This was the case of Kayvan Sadeghi, partner at Jenner & Block and former SEC chief of the Division of Enforcement, Robert Cohen. On other matters, we'll analyze the XRP price and different experts' opinion on what will be the future price for the token. In addition to this, Ripple is currently considering adding an AMM feature to its network, which is believed to have huge potential. Stay tuned so you don't miss the details on the latest news on Ripple and its native token, the XRP. Hello to the XRP news community, welcome to a new video. If this is the first time you see one of our videos, we send a special greeting, and we encourage you to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell notifications, so you do not miss any videos. I want to tell you that this channel gives away 200 XRP. For a chance to participate, all you must do is subscribe, like the video and leave a comment. The winner will be announced on the 15th of July. In addition to this, get 100 extra XRP if you are on our Telegram channel. The link is in the description. While there is still no news on the judge's Netburn ruling regarding the key pieces of evidence on the SEC versus Ripple legal battle, more and more experts share their opinion on what could be the outcome of the case. Kayvan Sadeghi, partner at Jenner & Block, has recently commented on the matter in the recent interview in the frame of the U.S. Supreme Court recent decisions. Over the last couple of months, the Supreme Court raised new questions about whether the SEC's authority to regulate crypto markets may soon be diminished. The courts has made several decisions lately that have shocked the public, including the elimination of the constitutional right to abortion, the expansion of gun rights, striking down a New York law limiting gun carry outside the home, and the most recent ruling restricting the Environmental Protection Agency's ability to limit power plant emissions. These have gotten the attention of blockchain attorneys that are looking ahead to the lawsuit brought by the Securities and Exchange Commission against Ripple for failing to register the company's sale of XRP as a security. Now some are not so sure that the Securities and Exchange Commission will get to decide on the future of finance. In a recent interview, Kayvan Sadeghi, partner at Jenner & Block, explained, the SEC's approach to crypto assets relies on an expansive interpretation of its own authority. For example, the SEC seeks to characterize digital tokens themselves as securities, even outside the context of any fundraising, without a clear basis in current law for doing so. He further explains that some trial courts may defer to the SEC's interpretation of what constitutes a security, but the Supreme Court may not go along. Sadeghi added, the court has demonstrated that it is critical of expansive regulatory authority. So if a crypto case makes it to the Supreme Court, the decision may have little to do with crypto and focus instead on questions about the power of regulators more broadly. Another important expert opinion was the one given by former SEC chief of the Division of Enforcement, Robert Cohen. He believes the Securities and Exchange Commission's case against payment giant Ripple is key, however the outcome may not be as significant. The regulator is likely to file a motion for reconsideration on losing the case against Ripple. He truly believes the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit could drag beyond the outcome of the case, no matter the outcome. Cohen responded in an interview to a question about the implication of the Commission's loss to Ripple. He explained his point of view drawing parallels between a fraud case filed by the Commission against Blockvest LLC and the ongoing lawsuit against Ripple. On November 27, 2018, the SEC had suffered a rare defeat in SEC versus Blockvest. This happened when Judge Curiel of the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of California issued a denial of its motion for a preliminary injunction against the firm. Despite evidence of fraudulent representations of the SEC in the defendant's website postings, the court denied the motion of preliminary injunction filed by the U.S. regulator. This did not last long and attracted intense scrutiny from the industry. On December 17, 2018, the SEC moved for partial reconsideration of the November order. On February 14, 2019, the court granted, in part, the SEC's motion for reconsideration relying on new evidence and an argument that the court apparently had overlooked. Therefore, the SEC shrugged off its original loss and continued to seek to shut down the alleged fraud with all the power of the federal securities laws. This will be, according to Cohen, what the SEC will do if the outcome is not favorable to the agency. As we've mentioned before, the end of this lawsuit that started in December 2020 will impact on the prices of the XRP. For now, the price continues being around 32 cents. The battle between Cardano and the XRP has been going over the last couple of months, and they keep constantly changing positions due to the short difference in their market cap. XRP has dropped 13% in price over the past week, but has been buoyed in recent days following news the embattled token may escape scot-free from the SEC investigation alleging that Ripple conducted an illegal securities offering. Ripple's bullish target is 50 cents in continuation of its uptrend. FX Street analysts identified a price point to enter a long trade on the altcoin. On the other hand, Ripple is currently considering adding an AMM feature to its network. According to a GitHub release, discussions are ongoing for the 0030XLS30D proposal that seeks to introduce automated market maker (AMM) to the XRPL blockchain. AMMs enable crypto assets to be traded without permission and conventional order books. Trading occurs automatically using pools of available tokens referred to as liquidity pools. On XRPL, this would provide liquidity pools between XRP and issued assets as well as between any two issued assets. The AMM DEX is kept in a steady state in relation to external markets in large part thanks to arbitrageurs. Ripple CTO Joel Katz says the planned XRPL AMM would have a secret sauce, a continuous auction mechanism that encourages arbitrageurs to burn liquidity tokens more quickly and frequently to boost the benefits to liquidity providers. So, we come to the end of the video. If you liked it, we would appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and give a like. We publish a daily video. You should also share the video with someone that you think can be useful. See you in the next video.